Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Soctone Step Ladder 4-Step Folding with Anti-Slip Pedal, Lightweight 4-Step Ladder with Handrails, 330 pounds capacity. Perfect for kitchen and household, color white. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The Soctone 4-Step Stool is a perfect tool when you need a little extra height for reaching items around the house, office, or garage. This folding step stool requires no installation. The locking and opening system makes it easy to open and fold. It folds down to just 1.4 inches for storage and transport. Easy to carry and can be used indoor or outdoor. And next, this is some reviews from us. The Soctone Step Ladder 4-Step Folding with Anti-Slip Pedal is a versatile and easy-to-use ladder that is perfect for a variety of household tasks. It is made of heavy-duty steel that can support up to 330 pounds, making it safe and stable for adults of all sizes. The ladder has 4 steps with anti-slip pedals that provide a secure footing, even on wet or slippery surfaces. It also has 2 handrails for added safety. The ladder folds down to a compact size for easy storage and transportation. It is also lightweight, making it easy to carry and move around. The ladder is perfect for a variety of household tasks, such as cleaning, painting, changing light bulbs, and reaching high shelves. It is also a great option for use in the garage or workshop. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.